Hi, it's Marlene of the Information Girls. Welcome. And today we're going to be doing a how-to video on how to make a YouTube channel. So let's get started. Go to your web browser here and type in youtube.com. When that comes up, click sign in. Then you would scroll down, and if you have not made a Gmail account, it would say create an account. But I have made one, so I'm going to show you that. After you have made a Gmail account, then you would enter your password. Now you are signed in to your YouTube channel. So you're going to come over here to the right where this icon is and click that. Then you're going to click your channel. Now you're going to click Customize Channel. Okay, now that you're here in Channel Customization, you're going to click Branding. Under Branding, you're going to click Upload under the tab that says Picture. So click Upload. And then you're going to choose a photo that you want to use as your profile picture. I'm going to choose a picture of my sweet mother. Make sure it fits in the parameters. Scroll down and make sure it fits here. And then I'm going to click Done. Once that's done, I'm going to scroll down to where it says Banner image here on the left. Then click Upload. And choose the banner that you have made. Then click Open. When you have chosen it, click Done. Now that it's done, always make sure you click Publish. Now that that's done, you're going to click Go to Channel. So now you can see there is a profile picture here to the right, and the banner is done. I thank you so much for watching this how-to video on how to make a YouTube channel. You also now have your profile picture and you have your banner. So stay tuned to the next video from the Information Girls. If you have not subscribed already, please subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell. I am Marlene of the Information Girls, and thank you so much for watching.